Hey everyone, I'm Cindy.
And I'm Mark. We're just sitting here in our living room sipping hot cocoa.
And talking about one of our favorite times of the year, Christmas.
Lights, cookies, laughter, and yes, maybe a little chaos too.
If you want to hear real English while we chat and share our holiday stories, you're in the right place.
Cozy up, relax, and let's get started.
Mark, can I ask you something simple?
Of course, go ahead.
How do you feel about Christmas and New Year?
Oh, I love them. For me, Christmas and New Year are the most exciting times of the year.
I feel the same. When we say exciting, we mean fun and happy.
Yes, full of good feelings.
These holidays are full of joy, celebration, and tradition.
Right. And tradition means something we do again and again every year.
Exactly, like decorating or baking special food.
For example, last year I tried baking a chocolate Yule log. It didn't look perfect, but my family loved it.
That's the best part, sharing, not perfection.
You know, Cindy, every country celebrates differently.
That's true. Different food, different customs.
In Italy, my cousin told me they eat fish on Christmas Eve.
Really? That's very different from the turkey and cookies here.
But the holidays in the United States are very special.
Yes, people here really love decorating and celebrating together.
It feels warm and welcoming.
And very family-centered. My mom always makes a huge dinner and everyone helps. Let's talk about Christmas traditions. Mark, what's one tradition you love?
Decorating the Christmas tree.
Oh yes, that's a big one.
In my family, we decorate together. Sometimes we even argue about where to put the star.
Same here. Family and friends gather in one room.
We put lights on the tree first.
Then ornaments.
Ornaments are small decorations we hang on the tree.
Some are new, some are old.
Yes, old ones have memories. I have a tiny ornament my grandma gave me when I was 5.
That's sweet. Memories are important.
Decorating the tree is not just about the tree.
It's about being together.
Exactly.
What about Christmas lights?
Oh, people love lights.
Especially outside the house.
Families hang bright lights, wreaths, and decorations.
Festive is a good word here.
Yes, festive means looking ready for a celebration.
Sometimes people drive around just to see the lights.
I do that. Last year, I drove around with my little nephew.
Me too. It makes the neighborhood feel happy.
And sometimes the lights are synchronized with music.
Let's talk about gifts.
Ah, yes, everyone likes gifts.
But gifts are not just about buying things.
Right, giving gifts shows love and appreciation.
In many homes, gifts go under the Christmas tree.
We usually put them there the night before.
Same. We wrap them and leave them under the tree.
Wrapping gifts is fun and sometimes stressful.
Yes, tape everywhere.
People open gifts on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day.
And saying thank you is important.
Very important. Once I forgot to thank someone and my cousin teased me all day.
Mark, do you ever think about helping people who need it during Christmas?
Yes, definitely. I try to give a little to people who don't have much.
That's wonderful. It's called charity or giving back.
Right. You can donate food, clothes, or toys.
Some families give gifts to local shelters or food banks.
I went last year to a community center. We help pack food for families.
That's so nice. I sometimes volunteer at a soup kitchen.
Or you can donate online too. Even a small amount can help.
Giving makes the holidays feel even more special.
Yes, it reminds us of the true spirit of Christmas.
And it teaches children kindness. My little cousin helped me pack food boxes last year.
That's a great memory.
Mark, does your family cook or bake?
Yes, in my family, we bake cookies on Christmas Eve.
What kind of cookies?
Gingerbread man cookies.
Oh, those are popular.
They smell amazing. Last year, I decorated one with red icing. It looked like a clown.
Baking together is another tradition.
It's slow, relaxed, and cozy.
Cozy means warm and comfortable.
Good word, Cindy.
Do you watch Christmas movies?
Every year.
Same here.
We sit together, sometimes with hot chocolate.
It's not really about the movie.
It's about spending time together.
Some movies remind us of childhood.
Yes, they bring back memories. I remember watching Home Alone when I was 10.
Oh, I love that movie too. The part with the paint and tarantula always makes me laugh. Singing and music. Do you listen to Christmas music?
Of course, I love carols.
Which one is your favorite?
Jingle Bells is classic, but I like slow songs too.
I like singing Silent Night. Last year, my friends and I sang it on a video call.
That's so nice. Music brings people together, even far away.
So, what do you like most about Christmas, Mark?
Honestly, the memories. Decorating, baking, laughing, all together.
Me too. Christmas is about love and togetherness.
And the little magic.
Yes, magic. Thank you for joining us today.
We hope you had fun listening and learning English.
Happy holidays, everyone.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Now, we want to hear from you. Do you celebrate Christmas? Write yes or no in the comments.